platform for to make any MLA or MDC. This is to die for our Roman script and for our Khorang. If you are ready to die, you come. Please come here. Don't expect that this platform will make MLA or MDC or any chairman or more province like MLA, MDC chairman. Please. And yak durke sawo any neta okay if he loves Roman script, if he loves Khorang, please आ जाओ इसमें बैठो हमारे साथ इनकलाब जिंदाबाद करो ठीक है okay at the same time angkai kaisa 30 point kan sengluka last 50 years political develop kali pelaka andron kali pelaka tabu kini o platform ni simi ang sarani nayo sini dol ni torok hoite dokani torok hoite let us make a social regulation samajik develop kali nai no political gain no political solution kenra politically obakun deno solution rakha abono ang cinta kalayo aboni bagine ang saranayo appeal kalayo to every educated, every corner, every people, young, old, everybody, every society, semua social revolution. Samajik develop kalau lainnya, awasara, ekor chance kere, success nani. Fourthly yang precisely sana na yo, je sini Khorang sana ni. To speak our Khorang is at our liberty. Sini sadinota at our liberty. Oro kebono seng bohogola trimo biya kebono musumani biya sini kok mani kok sana ni joto ni odikar. If Khorang non-speaking group they speak their own language, we appreciate. But then I appeal to the non-Khorang speaking group to appreciate our language because this is my mother tongue. The way you love your mother tongue, you must love and respect my mother tongue also. Ayo angkai awal bagainya ang appeal kalayo for non-speaking people. Ang kebono Johnny Samo biya, ang kebono Nasri Sanan biya. This is not a platform to hate anybody, to revolt against anybody. But then we humbly petition, submit our petition. We humbly appeals to our non-speaking people. Please, you must, the way you love your language, you must show your love and respect for our Khorang also. Then only there is Samani kok tongo nana basa nana bombo nana poridan bibi deri magat maje dekho milan mohan. If that is the case, then the way you love your language, you must love my Khorang also. Then only milan mohan. There is possible of milan mohan. Hey diba, hai no nungkya ani Khorang nasir jago. Angkai kok kesawa milan mohan. Hey diba, there cannot be any milan mohan. You must respect my Khorang also. Angkai tek aisa sana na yo sini learned speaker Tisalaikha tamo commission logung lai japon dengan commission cannot solve any problems. Setting the commission last 50 years we have tried. Last 50 years in commission Tisalaikha commission Pavitra commission sama sorong commission did not solve. These are all politicized. These are all politicized. Ang tabuk sana na yo appeal kalayo ini o platform ni madome there should be referendum. Ang kok sanai, ang kamu by kok sanai, kamu by sinai. This is my liberty and my liberty. Amu ni bagini no. Tini sunjok tu saya mana 99% Khorang speaking group they want Roman script. Roman script. Let there be referendum. Hadi. Ground of policy who loves Roman script referendum or commission then there be referendum, then the finally government will decide. Kaje sino social regulation ni madome the beginning of social regulation awon waita manda hatal sampane manda penai takuk te buku jotono na humble request kalayo sino social regulation ini ni simi oro sen camera peskang basale ciri pok lema biya it will continue. Abo protector kuna kajia hu doctor jagan soginai we want Roman spirit for Khorang. Kaje o cikun sakok sainai ang kai na hayani sobani cibai yapere hamai ko khani hamma anda mongka ani o Kwthaoi tani orno bakaka long live Khorang Roman.
Left that the people of this land, the indigenous people of this land have been struggling and asking and demanding for Roman script and the Kokbrok. Some for decades, more than 40 years in Lai Tangka, Soba Klaimang. Antini Kacha no sini Siklar Tanimo, Kwthaoi ang message from Musogo. There is an intention there. Sini o dofa, sini o zatino, sokomorona ni bangoy, sini mungno, sokomorona ni bangoy, sini kokno sokomorona ni bangoy, or neo belai kotor mas hor jontro tongo, omosung belai ke clear. Omo kok sakang ke paksa na political message, political speech uninai, but it automatically comes in my mind. Joten ni bukhawo phayo. If we look at the history, Canada wa kamang ma indigenous people extinct ng kakamay tangka, borne identity klika, borne kok klika. Australia wa kamang ma arni original bororo kamay tangka, borne kok klika, borne sulmun kuri ni bangoy, borne identity kuri ni bangoy. New Zealand is the same. Sri Lanka is the same. Kamang ma subcontinent ro omahai klaimna app origin. Indigenous people, original people rokni kamay thangmani sangno extinct man nogom. The reason being borok ni identity pila sukmanai. The majority borok je ruler hi tone rok, intellectual group tone rok, borok ni instinct, borok ni intention omono Motha sikong borok sikong dofa sikano sokomori nani rule klainani. Amongka instinct, amongka history proves klayo. And chiklarok, mirok mithane okokno sana musago. The time has come for you and for me. Sensini, thui thangbai jakha, o hawok grika, sini hawok grika, ang samane 5 decades, almost 50 years omno soba khaimani. Tamane homale, tabok royakho. Tabak basing mayakho, omoni bangai na sini omahai jorawo, Roman script for Kokbrok coba hi sing business sikang ama form klaika, joto 56 constituent body by khaza klaiwinai. Omono sing tebu ma rak sarunai, tebu ma omono yagma pholok lainai. Tani homole angderokno ang tiniwo sengkra khninai sanai. Tani homole sini na hormon Roman script for Kokbrok soba only sengkra can move forward. Sengkra, sing joto sengkra, oh hasakau sing sarbai khainani hongake sing sengkra sing toyar ma khalainai. Ang thaisingo khoroksa sini North East channel ni English channel lang amono saka. Now it is zero tolerance. This generation we
and all the leaders here present, city leaders, activists, and different social organization leaders, artists, singers, everyone. Since Simon, we know that the demand for Roman script for Joba, it has been more than a decade. It has been more than 50 years that the demand for Roman script has been placed to the government, but till now we know that the government are silent and they were a silent spectator. They never wanted the issues of the indigenous people to be solved. And today from this very gathering in this sit-in demonstration, I want to pass the message to the government and as well as to all the people, the Kokbrok speaking people especially. To choose our script should be decided by the indigenous people, by the Kokbrok speaking people, by the Kokbrok speaker. What language, what script to choose for us language. It is the matters of us, of our people. It is not the matters of any other community. It is because we know that the language is our pride identity. Since Simon J. Kokbrok language is one of the richest languages. We have so much pride and identity in our language. I want to remind my dear fellow peoples, my dear friends, brothers, in the history, looking back, we know that there is a creation of different country based on language movement. That is the example we know in our neighboring country. Bangladesh has not been just created. There is a movement for language, for the identity, for the protection of language of Bengali. That is why just after the independence of India and Pakistan, There was a movement of language, of Bengali language. That is how the Bangladesh has been created. They succeeded in 1971. There was a creation of Bangladesh in 1971. This is all the result of the language movement of the Bengali people for their language. In the same way, from this very gathering, I want to pass the message that we shall overcome. We will win. We'll bring the victory. We'll write in Roman script whatever we want. It is our identity. It's a matter of